Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing recipe on Culinary Vlogs by Z. My name is Zakia and today we are making Chocnut Chai Cruffins. Cruffins are a mix of croissant and a muffin dough. It has a soft, flaky texture and today I'm going to show you the quickest way to make them. Because this uses chai spices, we are going to start by adding all the spices together. These spices coming together give you that perfect chai flavor. For the chai spice mix we're going to use 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 tablespoon ground cardamom, 1 teaspoon ground clove, 1 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon ground allspice. I've also got 1 egg beaten with 1 teaspoon of water. The first thing we will need to do is mix all the dry ingredients together. This spice mix can be used to make many other culinary treats, some of which are chai tea or chai latte, which we are making towards the end of the video. You can use the spice mix to flavor almost anything, from breads, cakes, pastries, and even sauces for pastas. Once you've mixed all the spices together, keep this aside. The next step we will need to do is to open out a 500 gram butter pastry roll over a floured surface. It is best to use butter pastry instead of ready-made straw pastry. Make sure that this pastry is about 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Do not roll out as this changes the puffiness of the dough. Next, you will smear over the dough any chocolate spread of your choice. Make sure the spread is not too thick. Be careful not to tear the dough while doing this. If you don't have any chocolate spread, you can also leave it out. Chocolate spread is made from cocoa and vegetable oils and does not solidify. It is usually eaten on breads, waffles, and even plain toast. You can also make your own chocolate spread at home by mixing 2 parts of cocoa to 1 part condensed milk. Once you've added the chocolate spread, drizzle the spice mix over the dough, then take a pizza cutter and cut about 1.5 centimeters thick. You should get about 12 pieces from this. Take each slice and fold tightly from one end to the other, forming a spiral shape. Exactly 12 pieces rolled out and ready to bake. Take a muffin tin and lightly grease this. Place each spiral into one muffin space, making sure that it is centered. Lightly place some beaten egg over this. Store the leftover spice mix in a container. The special surprise recipe we are making is this chai latte with the same spices that we mixed earlier. Use 2 cups of almond milk or long life dairy milk, 2 tea bags, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons chai spice, and boil this until it bubbles. Once it bubbles, remove from the stove and strain. And now you have your chai latte ready to be served as well. After 40 minutes of baking, your Chocnut Chai Cruffins are ready to be served. Do enjoy them. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.